Hello, Crusaders for Christ. Welcome back to class. Today we are going to do our second day talking about regrouping twice in subtraction. I'm going to do a few examples from the book page that I sent you last night, aligning, subtracting, checking, and then send you on your way to do your homework. You will have homework tonight from the book, and I will explain it a little bit more once it comes that time. So let's jump right in. All right, number 20. I've written it for you on the board. I need to align it and then subtract. So 154, make sure I give myself enough space, minus 68. All right, 4 minus 8. Now I can't do that. Doesn't make sense. 5 minus 6, I also can't do that. I need to regroup and borrow from this one. So I cross out this 1 and it becomes a 0. Cross out this 5 and it becomes a 15. I wanted to start doing that in another color. Let me quick fix that so it will be easier for you to see. All right, 154 minus 68. Let's try pink. All right, cross out my 1, make that a 0. Cross out my 5, make that a 15. But this 4 still needs some help, so this 15 becomes a 14 and another 14. Okay. 14 minus 8 is 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. So I get an answer of 86 because 0 minus 0, there's nothing in this placeholder, is 0. Let's check and make sure that that makes sense. I couldn't borrow there, I had to regroup. I couldn't borrow, I had to regroup. Crossed out the 0, crossed out the 1. Regroup that 0, 14, but it was 15 first, had to regroup again, 86. Sounds good to me. Let's try number 21. 240 minus 76. 0 minus 6, I can't do that. 4 minus 7, I can't do that. I need to regroup this too. Borrow from this 2 becomes a 1. Change this 4 to a 14. Still need to borrow. I need to regroup a 10 for that 0. So that 14 becomes a 13, and this 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 13 minus 7 is 6, and I can't forget 1 minus 0 is 1. Let's go back and check if that makes sense. 0, can't, have to borrow. 4, I can't, I have to borrow. I took my 2, I changed it to a 1, made that 14. Then I had to use a regrouping mechanism. I had to use regrouping to change that 4 to a 13. So I could regroup that 0 to a 10. 10 minus 0, 4. 13 minus 7, 6. 1 minus 0, 0. All right, let's try our last one. This one's going to do dollars. Put my dollar sign. $5.65 minus $1.27. 5 minus 7, I can't do that. 6 minus 2, oh, I can, so I'm going to borrow. Would probably be helpful if you could see that in a different color. $15 minus 7 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bring down my decimal. 5 minus 1 is 4. Bring down my dollar sign. Now I know that this one was not an example of regrouping twice. This is an example of it's going to be a mixed review. Like I told you about, not every single problem will regroup twice. There is one more problem I do want to show you, which is regrouping twice, which is going to be number 27. I'm going to write it down here. 27. This one is also using money. $3.10 minus 84 cents. I need to align that. I'm going to do it in pink. $3.10, can't forget my dollar sign, minus 84 cents. Because there's no dollar in front of that, you still line it up in the cents column. I just wanted to highlight that so you can be able to see that. Can I regroup a 0? No, I cannot. I need to borrow, can't borrow from the 1, I need to borrow from the 3. Change that $3 to a $2. Change that 11 cents, or 1 cent to 11 cents. But I still need to regroup. Becomes 10 cents, becomes 10 cents. 10 cents minus 4 cents, 6 cents. 10 minus 8, 2. Gotta put my decimal, I'm just carrying it down. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down my dollar sign. All right, those are just a few examples of what you're going to get to do today on your classwork/homework. So if you take out your green notebook, looks like this. You are going to complete page 33 in your math workbook. I would like for you in the first section to estimate and subtract. I'm going to say that again. Last night I had you estimating. Today you're also going to be estimating. I want you to estimate and then subtract for the first section, which is numbers 1 to 15. Numbers 6 to 20 is just aligning and subtracting. It doesn't say check there, but I want to make sure you're being careful of your work. There is one word problem to finish up the worksheet, and then you are done for the day. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me a message. I will be calling you in your groups to check on your homework from last night and answer any questions you might have off of the top of your head. All right, my friends. Bye.